Here we go, guys. It's gonna be my first ever ride on a New Flyer hybrid articulated bus, 94/7 on the 29. Even though this is a route I despise a lot, but doesn't matter.
Route 29 Dufferin.
Morning. Didn't acknowledge. Come on, zoom out, zoom out. Oh, it's got the new bus smell.
Alex.
Hey!
I don't know him, I always watch his channel.
Nice, nice. Just made a fan of mine. Alright, here we go. My first ever ride. I'm trying not to foam so hard. Look, there's 1091. Okay, I might have to cut that out, but there was a police response. Didn't even see it coming. But anyway, this is the third unit to enter service. It actually entered service earlier this morning on the 329. And I wasn't even gonna go out today, but since it's not even far from where I live, you know, let me just take this opportunity and take it for a short ride. I don't know, maybe I'll get off at St. Clair.
Next stop, Preston Road.
It's weird too because I despise the 29 so freaking much, but I just had to. Seriously, I would have preferred to catch this on the 935 or the 941, but it's closest to where I live, so I had to. So it still has the same door chimes that it has on the 40-foot counterparts. I don't know why the LCD screen is actually very low. It's on the left side. The snow is really accumulating now. We're getting about freaking 10 to 15 centimeters today. And it's only like the third day of spring. It's crazy. By the way, just to show you guys the fleet number here. Yeah. Now, where are we going? Sit right here. Normally, I don't do this view, but you can actually see through. Oh wow,
It's my 4th time witnessing a towing.
nice. Or actually, rest in peace.
Next stop, St. Clair Avenue West.
I gotta get out here. Catch you later. Enjoy your ride.
Yeah, thanks.
Next stop, Auburn Avenue.
Hey sir, where are you getting off?
I'm on the way to the end.
Oh, nice. I'm actually getting off at Bloor. Yeah, and maybe I'll just head back up Dufferin because I don't live too far from here, so I didn't even plan on going out today because of the snow. The snow, I had to, seriously, I had to. Yeah.
That's the second time I got 1:30.
Oh wow.
School.
Yeah, nice.
Next stop, Davenport Road. Next stop, Chantis Avenue. Next stop, Erie Avenue. Next stop, DuPont Street. Next stop, Lapin Avenue. Shanley Street.
I don't really know what this is. I'm gonna get
Next stop, Flora Street West, Dufferin Subway Station.
Hey, take care, man. Be safe out there. Cheers.
Oh, I see. Oh.
Unexpectedly made it down here to Dufferin and Bloor. Slightly bumpy, but sweet ride. Obviously a lot better than the Nova Arctics we've been accustomed to for over 10 years. There it goes. Hopefully running more of these in the near future. Man, it's really coming down. Yeah, screw you, Nova Arctic. Screw you. New Flyer's better. Thanks for watching, guys.